Hi! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jem Abante and Jess, and welcome to Jems and Wonders. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, I'll be talking about another Skincare 101 with this Mary Kay Pink Clay Mask. This is one of the newest products of Mary Kay, and I must say, this is a must-have product. You know why? Let's get started as I demo this product and give you the key benefits on why this is a must-have product in your skincare routine. Hi! So, as you can see, pa-night routine na talaga tayo. Actually, I just had my cleanser kanina. Of course, my favorite, the Mary Kay Lumivic Cleanser. My name talaga yan, tsaka date of opening the product. And of course, after cleansing our face, importante na, ayan, magmamask na tayo. This is the time that I will demo on how to use this product. So, as you can see, ito yung size niya. And compared with the charcoal mask, ito yung pinakaiba niyang size, okay? But, for the usage, actually, matagal din siyang magamit because konti lang. I'll be using the Mary Kay, what they call this, mask applicator, of course. Ayan, apply na natin. Ganun pa din. Ayan. Upon application, mabango siya, okay? Because the key ingredient of this product is the plumeria extract. Sobrang bango niya, kaya relaxing na agad yung feeling. Sa mga nag-a-ask kung ito ba ay katulad lang din ng charcoal mask, actually, magkaiba sila ng benefit. This is actually ideal for dull skin. Yung charcoal mask kasi, ideal siya for oily skin. But, for me, upon applying, malamig. Okay? I can still feel yung malamig feeling. Tsaka, iba yung scent niya talaga. Because the charcoal mask has navy bean extract, this one naman, plumeria extract. Tsaka, ang bango talaga. Yun talaga yung mapagmamalaki ko din with this one. Parang nasa spa ka upon application. So, ganun pa din. You just have to apply it to your whole face. Just avoid the eye area. And, of course, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? Ayan. Nakikita nyo naman. So, pink clay mask siya kasi, ayan, color pink siya. Pag wala ka namang mask applicator, pwede namang bare hands mo. But the tip there is, do the tapping motion. Okay? So, right now, compared with the charcoal mask, hindi siya parang binabanat, pero nararamdaman kong malamig yung feeling. Okay? So, ayan siya. Kita nyo, pink na pink. Kaya all pink tayo for tonight. So, ano ba yung mga key benefits ng product na to? Bakit must-have din siya sa skincare routine mo? Ayan. So, we're able to apply the pink clay mask. So, what are the things that you have to remember? You will, yan, leave on for ilang minutes? 10 minutes. And then, ilang beses sa isang linggo to gagamitin? You will use this for 1 to 2 times a week, hindi per day, okay? Kasi, ito ay special step. Hindi naman siya part ng everyday routine natin. And, mararamdaman natin ang magandang key benefit niya mamaya pagkabanlaw, the cleansing part. Because of the pink clay mask, it strip off the dirt and you could feel, ano yun, a natural glow. Nakita ko to, actually second time ko na itong magamit. Mafe-feel mo talaga na iba yung glow ng skin mo pagka tanggal mo nung pink clay mask. And what else? Ano pa meron dyan, Miss Jem? So, ano pa ba yung benefits niyan, Miss Jem? Of course, we have the plumeria extract. Ang plumeria extract po ay nakakatulong para magbigay ng delightful feeling. And the plumeria extract has antioxidant properties. So, ano ba mga antioxidants na yan? It gives our skin the feeling of, ano po yun? Of course, easier skin repair and may anti-aging benefits din. Kaya nga highly recommended din to, lalo sa mga dull skin areas po natin. And sabi ko nga, ang bango talaga niya and iba yung feeling upon application as well. Yan. So, share ko pa sa inyo another benefit Of course, we want to indulge ourselves with the feeling of being wrapped in a dewy pony. It's actually a flower na parang feeling mo you're in a garden kasi ang bango niya talaga. And of course, the tea blossom. So, yun yung mga important ingredients na nakaka-add on with the scent as well. Kaya nga sabi ko, compared with charcoal mask, ito kasi navy bean extract, ito more of flowers ang kanyang scent. Kaya iba rin yung scent niya or iba yung bango. Ito more of may pagka-minty. This one naman, yan, girly na girly, pinkish flower yung scent niya. And last but not the least, of course, is the renewed feeling. All of us, diba, after a long week, long day, we want to indulge in something that could help our skin relax. And we want to revive our skin as well. Kaya nga, kung dull yung skin mo, kakapuyat, kakatrabaho, this is a perfect product for you. And I would like to remind you that you can do multi-masking as well. Kung yung area ng nose mo ay oily, nagba-blackheads, whiteheads, you can use this charcoal mask. And then for the other areas, you can use the pink clay mask. Okay? Ayan. So, yan yung itsura niya nung natuyo na siya. So, unlike with charcoal mask, diba pag natutuyo to, parang may white patches dun sa mga area na may blackheads and also may pimples. Ito naman, ganyan itsura niya. Okay? Parang pinkish din na nag-white lang yung other areas. Okay? So, now let's check kung ano namang result upon removing the whole pink clay mask. Okay? Ayan. So, after ma-rinse off, look at my face. For me, upon touching it, ang soft and then naglighten yung skin ko. Compared with charcoal mask, usually ma-feel mo yung banat effect. But this one naman, parang relaxing talaga yung feeling niya. And sabi nga, this pink clay mask is really ideal for dull skin and even for sensitive skin. Pwede siya. Compared with this one, this really targets yung mga blackheads, whiteheads. So, I suggest nga, you can do multi-masking. But for my verdict, of course, both of it must have talaga. Ang maganda lang din dito, budget-friendly, itong pink clay mask na to. And as you can see, ayan no. So, kunyari teens, diba? Gusto niya na may masking, pinkifier mask. This one is recommended for you. Safe naman to for all skin type as well. And I must say, talagang iba yung effect niya with our skin. Tsaka, for me, nag-pinkish din siya yung dito, cheek area ko. So, without any bias po yun, ah. So, for those of you looking for a perfect product, budget-friendly, and gusto mo may masking sa iyong skincare routine, try this Mary Kay Pink Clay Mask. If you don't have a beauty consultant, just message me after watching this video. And if you have one, you can ask him or her about this Mary Kay Pink Clay Mask. So, before I end this video, bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick recap on how will you use the Mary Kay Pink Clay Mask with your skincare routine. So, first, of course, use your cleanser, and then use your pink clay mask, and then pagka-rinse off mo siya, if you have your essence water, ito na yung next. Okay? In preparation to your serums. Okay? Ito yung serums natin, Lumivis Serum. And of course, sunod natin yung moisturizing cream because I always remind nga, the principle is thinnest to thickest po talaga. And of course, taran! Eye cream, eye care 101. So, on my next skincare routine, I'll be giving you my quick update about my latest night routine. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and please comment down below naman kung ano yung nagustuhan mo sa ginamit natin today or if interested ka ba to try this pink clay mask. Or, kung user ka na, ano yung favorite part mo sa paggamit mo ng pink clay mask. And if you have any suggestions or some requests of some tutorials pa po, just comment down in the comment section and I'm happy to give my very best to give you some beauty hacks 101, more of makeup and skincare as well. So, once again, this is Jem Abanti Andres of Jems and Wonders saying, stay safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and of course, stay positive always. Bye!